Keep going.
I like to eat oranges. Okay. I like to eat oranges and strawberries.
Correct. Number 2.
Can we go to the blue house?
Correct, Ramondo.
See the
Gray.
gray candles like
No, and
the pink cake.
correct. Number 4
I don't know what this word
is
is. I don't know what this word is.
mine.
My
White
cat
on
on
my
my
purple.
couch.
Yeah, you're correct, Armando. Okay, number 5.
A beggar.
No, it's a teddy bear.
A teddy bear sees
And
an
orange
pumpkin
and acorn.
don't need that.
Bradley, she's supposed to touch your arm if she needs help.
I know.
Bailey Pearl, touch his arm if you need help. All right, go to the next one.
Okay, number 6. No, it's number 6.
You touch her if she says it wrong.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I like the red heart lay with
No, it's on
my gingerbread.
No, it's brown after. It's gingerbread after brown.
I can say what this is. A cookie or a gingerbread?
It is a gingerbread. Look.
I know.
Okay, number 7.